Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So children, today we'll be starting the second exercise of our textbook, and the chapter is coordinate geometry. So I, Firdaus sir, once again welcome you over here in my first lecture of second exercise of the coordinate geometry. So today we'll be discussing section formula. Rather, we'll be deriving section formula. You can just have a look on the board. I have already drawn x-axis and y-axis. So section formula, what all about it is, you will just understand while I'll be deriving it. Suppose if we have a point P over here, its coordinates are x1, y1, and then we have another point over here, name it as Q. Its coordinates are x2, y2. When we join it, it is intersected, it is divided rather by some other point. Let's name it as R. Its coordinates are x comma y. It is this R divides PQ, the join of PQ, in the ratio of M1 is to M2. M1 is to M2. We have to find the coordinates of x and y. Again, I want to explain it. Suppose in Cartesian plane we have 2 points, P and Q. This P and Q is divided, when we join it, it is divided by some point R, whose coordinates are x comma y, in the ratio of M1 is to M2. M1 is the ratio, it is PR is to RQ. It is M1 is to M2. In the ratio of M1 is to M2. It is this point XY, whose coordinates are XY. It divides join of PQ in the ratio of M1 is to M2. We have to find the coordinates of R. That is, we have to find X. So in the end, we will just find X will be equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2, and Y will be equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. This will be our derivation. We'll be solving it over here. Have a look. What we have to do, from P, we'll be drawing perpendicular on x-axis. Let's name it as PA. Same, from the R, we will be drawing the perpendicular. Again on x-axis, let's name it RB. Then from Q, draw another perpendicular. Same on x-axis. Let's name it as QC. You can just see PA, RB, QC. We have drawn it perpendicular on x-axis. Therefore, they will be parallel to each other. Isn't it? Yeah, definitely. What else you have to do? You have to draw through P a line parallel to x-axis. Let's name it as QP S. Let's name it as PS. Same you have to do it here. Through R, you have to draw RT parallel to x-axis. Are you getting me? Yeah. Well, now you can just see here, we have got two triangles here, PRS and RQT, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah, you got it. Now you have just another look. You have gone through the distance formula. I want to just see how much you have remembered. What is OE? Yeah, OE. Yeah, you are right. It is x1. What is OB? Huh? Yeah, it is x. Then what is AB? AB is x minus x1. Since AB, SP is a rectangle, you are right. So opposite sides of rectangle are equal. This will be x minus x1. Acha, what about short frame? What is then BC? Yeah, BC? Yeah, right. x2 minus x. Since BC is equal to RT, so this is x2 minus x. Now, what about SR? SR, it is x, y minus y1, isn't it? Y minus y1. And what is TQ? It is y2 minus y. Okay. And PR is M1. RQ is M2. So this time, don't get surprised. We have got all the three sides of both triangles. That is PSR and RTQ. Correspondence is must. But I want to just remind you of the triangles. You know the triangles. You know the triangles. In triangles, you have read about this similarity of the triangles. Now make the two triangles similar. Are they similar? Yes, they are similar. Can you tell me what about these two angles? Huh? Yeah, they are corresponding angles. Because lines are parallel. These are two lines. This is the transversal. These two angles are corresponding angles. They will be equal. What about these two angles? Yeah, they are equal, each 90 degree. So therefore, these two triangles are similar by a similarity. After making the two triangles similar, we will take the sides as proportional. Then we'll be proceeding after a short break. Assalamu alaikum.